What is the one big mistake all beginner investors make when they make their first investment into the stock market? Go ahead and subscribe to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through kind of a simple step with your first $1,000 and what the big mistake all new investors make. The big mistake all new investors make is usually they invest in one stock because they hear from a buddy or they know about the company, and they put their full $1,000 into one stock, not really knowing what the company does. And they maybe one earnings report away from losing 30, 40, maybe even 50% of their money. If you're a naturally conservative person with your money, the ideal situation on investing is to put it into an S&P 500 index fund like SPY or VOO. This will allow your $1,000 to be invested across 500 different companies to maximize your diversification within your portfolio. So if you're naturally conservative, you definitely want to put it in some sort of index fund. However, there are some investments that you can make on single stocks, which may not be profitable, but these are solid companies that are going to grow 5, 10, 15, 20 years from now. Companies like Microsoft, companies like Apple, these are companies that pay dividends, get profits, and are really good for a long-term portfolio investment. So we all make mistakes in the market, we get lessons learned, and we move on. But let me ask you this question, and go ahead and comment below. When you started investing into the market, what were your beginning mistakes and how did you learn from them? I definitely made a lot of mistakes when I started investing because I'd invest in one or two stocks, I'd lose a little bit of money, and I'd get really discouraged. So a lot of my portfolio is in ETFs and mutual funds based on my retirement. But I'm not naive to the fact that I do buy stocks every once in a while because I really like to invest in stocks, and some win and some lose. But once again, as a beginning investor, if you're more conservative, go into index funds. If you're looking at individual stocks to buy, you want to buy stocks that have healthy dividends, cash flow, and are profitable. Once again, go ahead and comment below. Are you naturally conservative? Or are you investing more into stocks? I'd love to hear your comments. Thank you and have a great investing day.